It's wash day. I'm trying out new products from Aquis that's supposed to be super hydrating because Lord knows my hair is dry. I'm going in with the Water Defense Pre-Wash. It's supposed to strengthen the hair from the inside out, reduce water fatigue, and styling damage. I noticed that it makes my hair feel really soft. Next is the Rebalancing Hair Wash. Gently massaging this into my hair felt amazing. It has a lot of slip and my hair felt moisturized. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped, and this is supposed to gently remove dirt and oil while helping maintain the ideal moisture and pH balance for your hair. Now I'm going in with their light leave-in to condition my hair and get it ready for styling. To speed up the drying process, I'm drying my hair with my Aquis towel. It prevents frizz and I love how quick it absorbs the water out of my hair. Now I can style my hair for tomorrow.